In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay rent on Zillow, 2026 guide. Paying rent online through Zillow Rental Manager brings everything into one secure place, helps you automate your monthly payments, avoid late fees, and even build credit by reporting your on-time payments. Let's walk through exactly how to set it up and use it with confidence. First, sign in at Zillow.com and make sure your profile is up to date, especially your contact information. Your landlord starts the connection on their end, so keep an eye on your inbox for an email invitation from Zillow Rental Manager. When it arrives, open the message and use the link to connect your Zillow account to your specific rental property. Before you proceed, double check that the property address and the monthly rent amount match your lease agreement. That quick verification helps prevent mistakes and ensures your payments are applied correctly. Next, choose how you want to pay. The most cost-effective option is an ACH bank transfer, which is typically free. To set it up, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. If you prefer speed and flexibility, you can pay with a debit or credit card. Just know that cards usually include a processing fee based on a percentage of your rent, but they're processed instantly, which can be helpful if you're paying right on the due date. Before you confirm a payment, review any displayed fees and the estimated delivery time so there are no surprises. To make rent day effortless, turn on autopay. Schedule your payment to run a few days before the due date, especially if you're using ACH. Bank transfers can take 3 to 5 business days to clear, and weekends or holidays don't count as business days. If rent is due on the 1st, setting autopay for the 28th or 29th is a smart buffer. Once autopay is enabled, Zillow will email you before the withdrawal and again after it processes, so you always know what's happening. A standout feature in 2026 is credit reporting. In your payment settings, look for the Report My On-Time Payments toggle and opt in. Zillow will report your successful payments to major credit bureaus, which can help you build credit just by paying a bill you already owe. Finally, keep track of everything in your rental hub. You'll see a complete payment ledger and can download PDF receipts for each transaction. These are great for budgeting, tax preparation, or resolving any questions with your landlord. And that's it. Paying rent through Zillow is secure, streamlined, and designed to keep you on track every month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.